Buying a car is one of life's biggest milestones. The new car smell, keys in your hand, it's pure joy. But here's the reality. Scams are common in South Africa. The good news? You don't have to face them alone. Enter the Finance and Insurance Manager, the F&I superhero. Today we'll be diving into how they help protect you when buying a car. Trust me, you'll want to know this. So who is this F&I manager? At a vehicle dealership, they're the person that helps you navigate finance and insurance stuff. Yes, they handle paperwork, but they're not just there to draft contracts. They're trained to explain finance options, insurance, and extras. More importantly, they help to ensure that you don't fall victim to fraud. Think of them as your financial bodyguard in the car buying process.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you? I'm good. I'm Phoebe.
Nice to
Nice
meet you, Rhoda.
you.
I would like a bright pink Amarok, please. Fraud isn't always as obvious as someone selling stolen cars from a corner lot in your neighborhood. It's often much sneakier. Fraudsters are getting smarter when it comes to using fake documents that target both dealerships and buyers. And when things go wrong, you, the buyer, could be left paying for a mess you didn't cause. You can also play a role in preventing fraud. Before signing anything, confirm that the car isn't stolen or already financed with an ownership and finance check. Always verify the dealership's details, avoid intermediaries who offer to handle everything on your behalf, and only share your personal details with the dealership and the bank. How does an F&I superhero keep you safe? They do this by, number one, verifying documents. They check a buyer's ID, proof of income, and proof of address to ensure legitimacy. Number two, by protecting your data. Your ID and banking details are gold. That's why they help to keep these secure. You can assist by providing consent for them to obtain your bank statements online instead of giving them paper copies, which further minimizes risk. Number three, by conducting affordability checks. They ensure that you don't end up with installments that break your budget. Remember, banks won't approve installments for a customer who does not meet the National Credit Act's affordability criteria. Number four, by using digital tools. Many dealerships now use fraud detection systems to spot risks early on. Number five, by structuring your loan application. By doing this in a way that meets your affordability needs, they maximize the chances of it being approved. Number six, by ensuring transparency. They clearly explain all financing options, loan terms, interest rates, and any additional products and services. Number seven, by acting as a financial partner. A savvy F&I manager will question anything that seems out of the ordinary about a sale to ensure the customer's well-being. And number eight, ensuring compliance. They keep up with evolving consumer protection laws and disclosure requirements so that you don't have to. Fraud isn't just the dealership's problem, it can wreck your life. Imagine losing your deposit to a fake seller or paying off a loan on a car that was never really yours. An F&I manager will ensure that every aspect of a sale is legal, transparent, and safe. On that note, if you prefer to buy from a private seller, you can do the transaction through ABSA's private buy solution. That means you take the car that you intend on buying to any ABSA-approved private buy dealership who will not only check the vehicle, but also do the other checks and arrange finance. Here are some danger signs to look out for when you're buying a car in South Africa. Number one, a seller who refuses to show you the registration papers of a car. Need I say more? Number two, a price that's way below market value. That's rarely a bargain and most likely a scam. Number three, pressure to sign the paperwork. Buckle your safety belt. Don't buckle under the pressure. Number four, fine print that no one explains. Always stop and ask. And number five, a seller who always insists on meeting in a quiet place to hand over the car. It's not a CIA operation to exchange secret files, so do it in a public place or at the dealer who's assisting you with the sale. You're an important part of this too. It's your job to, number one, be honest. Banks do credit checks, and trying to hide previous debt will reduce your chances of getting a loan approval. Number two, Ask questions. If the jargon is confusing, insist on plain language answers. Number 3, take your time. There's no need to rush. Read and ensure that you understand the ins and outs before signing. Ignorance is not a valid defense. And number 4, double check the details. Ensure that everything is correct down to the last detail. F&I managers often offer extras like service plans, warranties, tire and rim cover, scratch and dent protection. You don't need them all, but some can be useful, especially if you're driving on pothole-ridden roads or you plan to keep your car long-term. Comprehensive insurance is the only legal requirement for financed cars. The rest is up to you. Wondering if F&I managers push products for commission? Well, in South Africa, they're legally required to present all options fairly and disclose bank ties. So while they do earn commission, their job is to guide, not trap. And the final decision lies with you. So here's my final tip. Ask for all bank responses and loan structures. Check interest rates, loan terms, balloon payments, and extras. And when the approval does come through, don't let excitement cloud your judgment. Read the full contract, ask questions, and agree only to what fits your budget. So there you have it. Your F&I manager does more than push paperwork. They're your fraud-fighting co-pilot. That said, it's still up to you to ask questions and stay sharp during this process.
Let's find what moves you. Cars.coza